Merry Christmas! Come on. Come look. Come look. Look, there's toys. There's presents. Yeah, I do know. There are presents for you. I wrapped them.
For you?
Merry Christmas, buddy.
You unwrapping it?
Unwrap. That's your wagon from Daddy.
Yeah, I think he's gonna like the ribbon more than the wagon.
Oh, is that a present? You want to open it? Open?
Come pull right here. Pull right here.
He wants in.
You're just gonna shake your loot and go, huh? I'll give you a little start. There you go. Now that'll roll. Pull. Bye.
Look at how excited he is.
Come back and see us sometime.
Oh.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Christmas gift.
She got me. Your pants are all falling off. You want to open some presents? Huh?